So this is one of the unboxing I will be doing. I purchased this dress, trying on clothes on my new body. So box number one is a dress. Listen, just because it's winter, I mean it's summer, don't mean you don't purchase anything for winter. Okay, so this is this right here. I have a huge stomach because I gave birth. Babe, turn around, turn the other way. Turn where Nellie's at. You don't need to turn where I'm at. Nosy. Trying to see my business. He heard I purchased. He quickly turning so he could judge me. So the next one is also from Area. I don't know if anybody have ever purchased anything from Area. The store, it looks like it's located in New York. It's not my first time purchasing stuff from Area. I bought a pair of pants from Area. Oh, I think 2 pair of pants. Yeah, from Area. So the next thing is this. By the way, the dress I showed was a size large, but I think an extra large is better. I like bigger size these days because of my age. I'm in my mid-30s and bigger size seems to be more relevant. And this here, this will definitely fit me because it's an extra large. And the back is open. Yeah, I'll try them on. And then there's this one. Yeah. Oh, this looks good. Yep. This one is black and white, and the other one was silver and white. Box is, oh, well, it's not Area. It's Satire. Satire. Let's see how you open this. How do you open this? I'm hoping it is what I wanted because I was questioning this for some reason. Oh. Shoulder pads. Oh my gosh, it is shoulder padded. Okay, that's good. And lastly, I purchased these sandals. I wanted these sandals forever. I asked my husband to purchase them. He gave me the money for me to purchase, and I used the money to do something else with it. And I finally purchased them from Vestiaire Collection. For $368.71. So it was cheap. So these are the sandals. They're Gucci platform sandals, and they are brand new, brand spanking new. And I have a dust bag or 2 dust bags. Two dust bags and the sandals. I have not worn them yet, but these were definitely my favorite purchase. Honestly, I gave birth. He didn't give me a push gift, so I feel like this was my push gift. He allowed me to purchase this. I don't think I like that sentence. He shouldn't be allowing me to buy anything because I work too. So I'm still waiting for my push gift. However, I did buy myself a push gift, which was a pair of sandals. But I will go ahead and try these dresses, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching.